Hi there, here's a quick little video on how to change the filter in your MyAir Bissell air purifier. Pretty straightforward process. You do not need any tools, you just need one of these replacement filters, which you can get off Amazon for about $10 to $15. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So on the bottom portion here, make sure it's unplugged first, and go ahead and use some force here and just turn it like that. Open that up, flush your old filter. Good time to inspect to make sure there isn't any like excessive dust in there. Put your new one in, and then just line up this tab with one of these slots, and then lock it back into place. Alright, now let's reset the filter. Okay, so to reset the filter reminder, just hold down this blinking filter, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.